In this video tutorial, we'll be looking at some exam style questions for GCSE 9 to 1 maths, okay, for higher and for foundation. So this is appropriate for both foundation tier and higher tier students. So the first question says, the line with equation y equals 2x plus 7 intersects the y-axis at point A. Find the coordinates of A. So the y-axis is when x is equal to 0. So it's when x is equal to 0, so I'm going to sub in x is 0 into my equation. I'm going to get y is equal to 2 lots of 0 plus 7. Okay, so that'll be 0 plus 7, which is 7. So the y coordinate of A is 7 and the x coordinate of A is 0. So A has the coordinates of 0, 7. Okay, because remember, your plus c is where it crosses on the y-axis. Remember the straight line equations, guys, are in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is your gradient and c is your y-intercept. So c is where it crosses on the y-axis. So a rough sketch. So this equation looks something like this. It passes through the point 7. Okay, so the coordinates of A are 0, 7. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, write down a fraction equivalent to 1.875. So if I write this as a fraction, so I've got 1 whole. Now 0.875 is actually 7/8. Okay, 7 divided by 8 gives you 0.875. Okay, because 1/8 is 0.125. Okay, and if I times that by 7, I get 7/8. Okay, so these are just fractions that you need to actually know here for your GCSE exam. Okay, so if I make it a top-heavy fraction, okay, 1 whole is 8/8. 8/8 plus 7/8 is going to be 15/8. So a fraction equivalent to this, let's say, okay, I can times top and bottom by 2, so I get 30/16. Okay, so this fraction is equivalent, i.e. the same as, okay, 1.875, okay, because 30 divided by 16 gives me, okay, 1.875, okay, so equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same amount, okay, so you times top and bottom of the fraction by a constant, by a number bigger than 1, okay. So hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so I can have any other fraction that is a multiple of 15 on the numerator and a multiple of 8 on the denominator. Okay, so I could have times top and bottom by 3 and got 45 out of 24. That would also be equivalent. Okay, any other fraction, okay, that has a multiple, okay, of 15/8. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, this next one, solve 5x plus 11 equals 3x plus 19. I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides of my equation to balance each side respectively. 5x take 3x is going to be 2x. I've got 2x plus 11 is equal to 19. Okay, now I've got a two-step equation which I can then solve. I'm now going to subtract 11 on both sides of my equation to balance each side respectively. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Minus 11. I'm going to have 2x is equal to 8. Okay, 19 take 11 is 8. Or 19 subtract 11 is 8. Dividing both sides of my equation by 2. Okay, so isolate and get x by itself. I get x equal to 8 halves. So therefore, x is equal to 4. Okay. And that's my solution or answer for the third question. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, any questions, any queries, put it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, and I will see you inside the next video. Okay, bye for now. Take care. All the best.